on Molly, yeah, I'll give you my whole body. Just please don't tell nobody. Pull up in that.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's me, ASAP Ari, back with another video, and today I'm taking y'all with me to go shopping at the outlet mall. Super long story, but basically I did this little decorating contest for my dorm or barrack door, and I won a $100 gift card. And the biggest one is me. Anyway, and I won first place, so I got a $100 gift card. And it's an hour and a half away, unfortunately. So I'm finna finish getting ready and head out. Hopefully I don't make this trip for nothing, because side note, somebody lost the gift card, but I have a picture of it. Maybe that'll work. Hopefully, if not, somebody gonna wear my fave. But yeah, let me just put some lip gloss on, pick a jacket, pick some shoes, and then I'm gonna head out. Chick, yo, oh god, I'm smoking. I don't. All right, so I got two jackets. This one or this one. I'm gonna try them on. Y'all tell me which one you think I'm gonna wear, even though I'm already had that one. All right, so this is the fit. I'm a little camo jeans on and a white long sleeve crop top. I haven't picked my shoes yet. So what's up? Boom. Boom. This one. I think this one is cuter. It's giving, but also it's cold as shit outside. So like, it's not as warm as the other one. It's definitely cuter though. It's giving. You thought I was feeling you? This one, oh, it's not even the same orange. I don't know. Yeah. This one. Oh, it's the perfect orange. It's the perfect orange. This is a little bit better. A little bit not as loud. Big purr. Big purr. Never a low one. Okay, let's go. And there's the door that lent me the gift card just for reference. Very cute. The fire lights up, but the batteries are dead right now, and I'm not gonna change it. So. So we just got here after an hour and a half of driving and almost having a blowout. So now I have to find the info point to see if they're going to be nice to me today. To give a little bit of backstory, I was TDY when I won the contest. So I had someone claim the prize for me, right? And it was 2 sheets of paper that basically said, take this paper, this voucher, to the outlet mall and they'll give you your gift card. Now, in the span of a week and a half, this person who claimed my gift card for me seems to has lost track of these 2 sheets of paper. 2 sheets of paper worth $100 fucking dollars. So hopefully they'll take a picture. So I have a picture of it with the little voucher code on it. But we'll see. We will see. Because I'm going to be hot if I drove an hour and a half up here just to be... And the thing is, I called earlier. I called before I came up here, but they didn't really understand what the fuck I was saying because obviously I don't speak Italian. And they were like, yeah, it'll be fine. Yeah, but they really... I know they didn't understand what the fuck I was saying. So, we'll see. Also, I learned something new today when I had to pull over, which y'all probably didn't see that. I don't think I got that on camera. Now I know where my tire pressure monitor system reset button is, so that's something. Had to call my dad 1,000 miles away to figure that out, but thanks, Dad. All right, we're going in. Okay, I'm looking for a perfume place called Penali first because I'm gonna see who has it cheaper. So hopefully I don't have to spend the whole gift card, but we'll see. Okay, and there it is, right there. Penali. And there it is. Okay, so it worked, and I got my goods. It was actually on discount. Normally that perfume goes for $128. And it was about 30% off, I think, and I got it for 86 euro. So with the gift card now I have about 15 euros left on the gift card. And now I'm gonna go to the Nike outlet and see what they got. More than likely I'm gonna spend my last 15 euro at the Starbucks or to get some food or something, but we'll see. There it is. And that left. That was very quick. By far the weakest Nike outlet I've ever been to in my fucking life. But I mean, I wouldn't expect much more than that because, you know, the drip in Italy is subpar. So it turns out Starbucks doesn't take these whack-ass gift cards. So now I have to find a whack-ass store in here to spend my last $14. I don't know, they have shit like Guess, right? But like, what's in there for $15? Also, who really shops at Guess? I don't. Is there a Forever 21 in here or something? I don't know, I'll walk around for a little bit before I just say fuck it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to leave. Damn, my head is itchy. I'm about to leave. Fuck, the outlet place. I ended up spending my last couple dollars on this funky ass eyeshadow palette. And you're probably thinking, damn, bitch, I ain't never seen you wear eyeshadow. It's because I haven't worn eyeshadow since like my high school prom. But this place called Pupa looked to be the only really cheap place that I could spend $15. And let me tell you, I thought I was gonna go in there and get some cheap lotions, kind of like a Bath and Body Works, but I guess the Italian version of that. But everything in that motherfucker stink. everything. I'm telling you, I smelled every single lotion and body spray, and they all smelled like shit. Not literal shit, but like they just didn't smell good. So yeah, I just got a fucking eyeshadow palette that I have no use for. But I got my perfume, and so mission accomplished. Now we're back to the 1.5-hour drive home, and hopefully my car acts like it wants to remain employed because the tire pressure light is still on, even though all of the tires have adequate pressure. So, damn, I should probably check it before I leave, huh? No, I'm not. All right, y'all. Damn. It might be time to wash my hair. No cat. All right. We're back home with what I left the house for. And now we're gonna unbox it. The Carolina Herrera Good Girl 80 millimeter. And it came out to $86.38. They were having a discount. This perfume usually retails at 128 euro, and I got it for 86. Well, really, I got it for free because I used the gift card. So yeah, so they also sell it to the PX, oddly enough, for $109. And PX is supposed to be like the best price you can get, but it ain't, and I see that now. Okay. Oh my god, I can smell it already. Yes. I'm telling you, this might be my, oh, this is definitely my first, like, I don't know if this is considered luxury, but this is my first non-body mist, you know, like Bath and Body Works type shit. That's like $8. So yeah, this should be my first of many. We're gonna go ahead and call it luxury, many luxury perfumes. So yeah, I don't want to spray it and waste it because I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, it's a pretty big, seems like a pretty big bottle. Yeah, 80 milliliters, and I'm in love. And there's nothing else in the box anyway. Yeah, so that's it. And this is that eyeshadow palette I was telling you that I got from a Pupa, where everything smells like Pupa. It is a pretty decent palette. I just will probably never use it, unfortunately, because I don't wear eyeshadow. Yeah, so there's that. And thank you guys for tuning into this quick little vloggy vlog, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.